Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. If my camera is moving, I have my... Yes. I have my tripod on the bed. This little guy's about to go to bed but I figured I would bring him in here with me and make this video really quick because I received a new package from Mom's Meat and I thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys. So this box is from the brand Dr.Bronner is what it's called. So in this box we received I don't know. Doesn't really stay on here when we see. I'm just gonna unbox it and show you guys all the stuff that I got in this box. If you would like to know more about Mom's Meat, I will leave a link for you to check out the website below. So you pretty much become one of their mom ambassadors. You have to apply to become a mom ambassador first, and then you can start applying to sample all these products with like a group of your mom friends. So first things first, the first thing I got for sampling my products to my mom friends is this $1 off any 2-ounce Dr.Bronner's organic hand sanitizer. It's a coupon for $1 off. Also I got this little bag with like little samples of like, I think it's like sugar scrub hand soap, 4-in-1 lemongrass lime organic sugar soap for hands, face, body, and hair. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna. If you know me personally and would like to try one of these, my son just took it away from me. But if you would like to try one of those, let me know, and I will give you one of those so you can try it out. I also got 2 of the lavender organic hand sanitizers. So I was reading the paper earlier, and it said that with these, you you could spray it on your hands, like your kids' sticky hands, and then just wipe it off. And, like your kids' hands should be clean. So yeah, obviously this is a hand sanitizer, so it will disinfect your kids' hands. It's organic. I don't believe it contains any alcohol. So these are perfect for kids. I also received a peppermint scent one, and I received, well, I guess these are the products they want you guys to sample, and these, but these, they didn't give me one for each person. They just gave me like 3 little bottles just to have my mom friends like try it out like once, I guess. And then another thing I received is this Dr.Bronner's all-in-one hemp rose pure castile bar soap. So family soap maker since 1858. Is this like a body soap? Like to shower? I'm not really sure, but I can smell the roses. It smells pretty good. Now my son's over there playing with my box. Good thing all these things are organic. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I received. If you'd like a coupon, if you know me personally and you want a coupon, let me know, and I will also give you one of the sugar scrub soap, and I will also let you try this out when you come, I guess, when you come to pick up your little samples and your coupons. So stop jumping, sit down. Look at him. Meow. Alright, well, If you'd like to know more about Mom's Meat, I will put a link in the description box below so you can check out Mom's Meat. With Mom's Meat, all you pretty much do is you apply to sample certain products. You try them out with your mom friends. Well, if they send them to you, try them out with your mom friends. You take a few pictures, you review it. You do a little review on their website, and you post pictures from your meeting, and that's pretty much it. But obviously, the more pictures, the better, because then they can use it for like advertising of the actual brand. But yeah, it's actually pretty fun to do all this stuff. Alright, well, this little guy I think wants to go to sleep already, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!